Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing a rather controversial topic among students. Should the use of mobile phones be allowed in school? Some believe phones assist learning process, while others argue they only cause distraction. Alright, let's start with the protein.
I support the use of mobile phone in school because they significantly aid the learning process. According to the Ministry of Education and Culture 2024 data, over 60% of Indonesian teachers now use digital applications like Google Classroom and Quizzes in their teaching. If students are forbidden from bringing phones, how can they participate in this modern learning methods?
I agree, a phone is not just an entertainment device. It's also a source of travel information. We can consider additional explanation, additional video, and even online topic lesson. Based on the VR Social 2024 survey, Indonesian teenagers on inference is the phone prefers a day for online learning activities.
That's right, and let's not forget, phone can also teach responsibility. If we learn to use them wisely from a young age, we will be ready to face digital world in the future. The problem is not the tool itself, but how it's used. Thank you to the protein for your views. Now, let's hear the arguments with the contrary.
I oppose phones in school. Though they are benefit, the reality is that phones are more often used. Kominfo 2023 data show that over 40% of students access social media during class hours. That doesn't really focus on learning.
Furthermore, phones lead to less socialization among students. Many are busy staring at screens, forgetting to communicate with friends or teachers. According to the University of Tokyo 2022, excessive phone use decreased student FT by up to 25%.
And let's not overlook exam cheating. In on high school in Bandung in 2023, 510 cases of exam violation were recorded due to mobile phones. This proves that phones can also be a source of serious problem in school.
Very compelling arguments from the both sides. The protein emphasizes educational benefits, while the contrary team highlights the negative impacts. I now open the floor for responses. Protein, please.
We don't deny the existence of misuse, but the solution is not an outright ban. School can create clear rules. For example, phones are only used during specific reason and with the teacher permission.
Exactly, internet and South Korea phones are even included as part of the digital curriculum. The important thing is supervision and education on digital ethics.
The problem is that in Indonesia, supervision of that curriculum is not yet optimal. It's difficult for teachers to monitor dozens of students with phones in their hands.
But that is precisely why we must learn self-regulation from an early age. If the school doesn't provide space for practicing digital responsibility, students will be more easily invest outside of school. So rather than prohibiting, it's better educate from wisdom.
From all opinions shared, we can conclude mobile phone definitely have two sides. They can help and then they can hinder. However, with clear rules and teacher guidance, can become an incredible learning tools. Technology is not the enemy, but a friend where the risk must be respected. Thank you to all the pro and contra teams who participate. Let us use technology for learning, not just for playing.